As you can see, this deck needs a lot of work. If you've decided to spruce up your deck for a spring project, here's a couple of quick tips that you could use to save you time and money. First, you could sand your deck to bring it back to life. But many times, the only part of your deck that is damaged or worn is the surface. If you find that to be the case with your deck, here's what you can do. Use a nail puller to remove the nails and turn these boards over. As you can see, the other side did look better than the top side. Nail the board back into place. A little sanding and you've extended the life of your deck.